Now we're gonna do this box junction. Now we did send you the picture yesterday. You watched it, isn't it? Yeah. We're gonna do this again. Would you like me to help you, or you want to navigate this by yourself?
Can we do it twice? So can you help me on the first one, and then the next one can I do it by myself?
Sure. You're coming in, the box we have, we need to bring our car in the middle straight. Try not to be sticking out. So try not to be wonky like this. Try to be straight. And your first importance, you give way to traffic who's going straight up.
Straight, yeah.
Now, if nobody's coming, do we have to stop in the box?
No.
You just carry on. But if somebody's coming, you stop in the box. So yeah, now you have got a couple of options. The first option is, if you see a safe gap, you will turn. Or if the traffic light goes red, then we must go as well though. Because if you don't go, the traffic who's coming from that lane, they can't use that box to go right. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So once you about here, do your mirrors and signal please. And the traffic light is red, so our stopping line is here. But do remember, you do have got a bus lane on your left, so when you move, do look out for any cyclists, buses, motorcycle coming from the bus lane.
Where's the box?
The box is after that island. Can you see where it says Easter Fair, and before that, in between there's a box there. So that's a good. So we keep going straight, nice and slowly. Just keep using wood. Go around like this, yeah. And after this, cross the island and try to go into the box now. More steering, but come this way, this way, this way, like this. That's it. Good. Anyone coming?
No.
So then you can turn. Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Because if you go to the right, you're going into their lane.
Yeah.
And now what you're gonna do? Mirrors and can you see the speed limit sign there?
Yeah.